Deforestation. Forestry give us clean water, if even give us food and medicine. Also, thanks to deforestation, we have wood objects for construction and to produce paper.
The energy flow may be disrupted by the practices of deforestation because by making deforestation, we are leaving a lot of species without shelter and food, which means that the species will start to die because of the lack of food. When the animals from the ecosystem start to die, the energy from life in the ecosystem also start to die, and all things that helps the ecosystem to respond and adapt to different things also die, which means that the whole ecosystem dies.
The ecosystems develop over time, no matter if it's volcanoes, floods, and fires, can all affect which species thrive in a particular habitat. Other interruptions are caused by human acts. Individual species can be devastated by some disturbance, and some can be even result in extinction. As species become extinct, the diversity of species in the biosphere decreases, reducing its variety of life. Every organism makes a contribution to the environment in which it lives. When one species becomes extinct, the remainder of the food chain suffers. All the change affect the biodiversity in a community and can disturb an entire ecosystem.
If deforestation is interrupted, the humans will run out of materials such as meat, vegetables, wood, important elements from the mines such as carbon or sulfur. As well, the humans will run out of space to build important stuff, and the cities will have more and more overpopulation because of the lack of space.
The awareness and sensitization can also help to prevent deforestation. Sensitization and education efforts can be simple and effective. Another one can be ecoforestry. Is the preservation of the world's forest. It acknowledges that the trees are something inavailable, used from various human activities or purpose because of the nature and scale of forest destruction. Efforts to limit human activity can be enforced by governmental and organizational legislation and control.
Summarizing all the information from the previous issues, we can highlight that right now deforestation affects humans more than it helps them because when forests are cut down, they release all the carbon dioxide that they have stored in the leaf into the atmosphere. In this way, they create more pollution when they cut trees. A fun fact about deforestation is that less than 10% of global warming pollution comes from tropical deforestation. This means that not having enough space right now for making food or taking materials is not the biggest problem of humans, but the biggest problem is to try stopping global warming or at least try to prevent the consequences of global warming arriving as late as possible. Some solutions that can we give to the deforestation is to have an awareness and sensitization to prevent deforestation. Ecoforestry to have people that want to protect the environment at any risk and make a law in all the world that the deforestation should be illegal and for people who make deforestation there will be very serious consequences.